Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the LG washer TCL error code in 2026. So first of all, let's understand what this error code actually means. So TCL stands for Tub Clean Alert, and as the name suggests or as the error suggests, it appears after multiple wash cycles to remind you that residue detergent and the bacteria may be built up inside the drum. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all turn on the washer and select the tub clean cycle. Now run it with no clothes inside and also use a washer cleaner or a small amount of detergent. This particular step is going to reset the internal cleaning counter. After that, you need to simply just deep clean the drum manually. So simply focus on the drum surface and door gasket folds. This removes the leftover residue that the cycle may miss. Then simply remove the detergent tray and wash it thoroughly. Also clean the area where the water flows into the drum. The build-up detergent here contributes to repeated TCL alerts. After that, you can just simply open the lower panel and then clean the drain filter. The debris inside can then cause the buildup and also trigger the cleaning alerts more frequently. So you can try these cleaning hacks and your TCL code will no longer be there. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.